Good morning, students. Today we will start with the topic solution of a linear equation. Till class 8 you have learnt about linear equation in one variable, and you have found out that every linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. Means it has only one solution, or it has only one value, which we have discussed in the last class also. Now what about the linear equation in two variables? What type of solution do we get? In this case, in linear equation in two variables, if you will solve it, you will find that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. It has infinite number of solutions. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Now let us take an example. Let us take a linear equation in two variables as 4x plus 3y equals to 12. And suppose you are asked to find out 4 solutions of this linear equation. In that case, how we will find out? So in this case, you can use whatever value you want to the variable x or y. You put a value to any one variable and you will find out the value of another variable. Now let us see. When x equals to 0, then what solution we will get? Just put, in place of x we will put 0. So 4 into 0 plus 3y equals to 12, or 3y equals to 12 because 4 zeros are 0, or y equals to 12 by 3, that is 4. So in this case, what are the values of x and y? We are getting x equal to 0 and y equals to, when we are putting x equals to 0, we are getting y equals to 4. So one solution which we are getting is 0, 4. Students, always remember that write down the x coordinate first and the y coordinate afterwards. Then second is, for convenience we always take two values, like first value we take x equals to 0 and another value we take y equals to 0. So now I am going to take when y equals to 0. So in this case 4x plus 3 into 0. Now here y is 0, so I am putting, in place of I am putting 0, equals to 12, or 4x equals to 12 because 3 zeros are 0, or 12 by 4 equals to 3. So what are the values we are getting? 3 and 4. So two values which I am getting is 3, sorry not 4, it is 3 and 0. Now this is the first case, this is the second. Now let us take the third one. Now let us put when y equals to 2. Now why I am putting y equals to 2? Because it is convenient to divide a number by 4. So let's see, 4x plus, in place of y I will put 2, 3 2s are 6 equals to 12, or 4x plus 6 equals to 12, 4x equals to 12 minus 6, that is 6, and x equals to 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2 or 1.5. So what solution I am getting here? 1.5, and what is the value of y? 2. Now let us take another one. You can take whatever value you want, positive or negative. So I am taking x equals to minus 1. Now let us put the values. In place of x I am putting minus 1 plus 3y equals to 12, or 3y equals to 12 plus 4. Why? Because it is minus 4 plus 3y equals to 12, or y equals to 16 by 3. So what solution I am getting? Minus 1, 16 by 3. Now when you will put these values to the left hand side of this equation, you will get the answer equal to 12. So you can put whatever value you want. There are infinite number of solutions. So this type of question we will be doing further in the next class. Thank you.